Hello everyone, welcome. So I'm here to talk to you about Introduction to Data Storytelling, which is hosted by the Office of Research and Innovation. You can find more about this on our website, humber.ca/research. There are registration links which are open right now. So what exactly do we talk about in the Introduction to Data Storytelling workshops? Now before we get there, let's get a little philosophical. Now what are some of the biggest questions which are there in our everyday lives? Now, we have confusions about our next actions. We desperately want someone to give us a roadmap. And then we want to get some clarity in the next steps. Now, connect this to a business, and that's exactly what every business goes through. They have all this data, but it's all messed up. Everything is confused, everything is all over the place. Now we will show you how to use the extract, transform, and load functions to convert this to clean data. Every business wants a roadmap, and this is where we will help you visualize using Tableau or Power BI. And for clarity, this is where every business wants an insight. And we will help you figure out what insights your data has, which is best suited for your business. This is what we are covering in the Introduction to Data Storytelling workshops. So please join us. Visit our website to get more information.